Got these S-types right here, looking good. And this thing right now, even without the supercharger, without that forced induction, this sucker's so loud. It's like pretty unbearable to drive like anywhere else. Here's the Borla ATAKs. So we'll see how big of a difference it'll make, and you know how nice it'll be. By the way, look at these daggone coilovers. There's not much play in it. We lifted up, that barely sags down, but we jacked it off the ground. Goddamn daggone Borlas on the ATAKs. Gonna trade them out with the S-types right there. See, that's off the ground. This is just a stock suspension on a 3-row. What? Crazy. Oh, she's pissing on me. It actually pissed on me, I'm not gonna lie.
That's good.
Dude, stop.
Just exhaust fluids, it's alright.
Ah, it went in my face.
Oh yeah.
What? Alright, buddy. Okay, these are the Borla ATAKs. All right, S-type. It's definitely a lot quieter. That's a lot quieter. It's way more tame. A lot more. I like it. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Like maybe do a little flyby today. We'll see. Just listen to it. Excited to hear this thing from the outside, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Man, yeah, let's do a little flyby. I want to hear it. Wow. Definitely not quiet, but my eardrums, my ears, I don't have to completely, I could hear right now. Usually I don't even hear it. Like rattles your brain. Borla's definitely one of like the top systems out there, because they never drone, for at least for the Coyotes. Way quieter. That is so much quieter.
It almost feels faster because like you're not so overstimulated by sound.